Hi guys, this is Yajin and welcome back to my channel ACCA and beyond. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about another commerce degree which you guys can pursue, which is the USCMA. So, what is the USCMA? The USCMA is a professional qualification offered by the Institute of Management Accountants, IAMA, USA. It focuses on management accounting and strategic financial management, preparing professionals to help business make informed financial and operational decisions. The course is divided into two parts. The part 1 includes the financial planning, performance, and analytics. The section covers topics such as external financial reporting decisions, planning, budgeting, and forecasting, performance management, cost management, internal controls, technology, and analytics. Your part 2 is your strategic financial management. This section includes your financial statement analysis, corporate finance, decision analysis, risk management, investment decisions, and your professional ethics. Overall, USCMA focuses on areas like budgeting, costing, financial analysis, performance management, strategic planning, and decision making, making it a qualification centered around helping organizations improve their financial performance and achieve their business goal. Now, let's talk about the course structure or the exam structure. The USCMA qualification consists of two computer based examinations. Together, these exams assess your knowledge of management accounting, financial planning, business strategy, and decision making skills. Now you can attempt these two exams in any order. Each exam is scored on a scale of 500 marks, and a minimum score of 360 is required to pass. For the part 1 of a paper, it includes the financial planning and performance analytics. This paper focuses on planning and managing an organization's financial performance. It includes the following topics: the external financial reporting decision, which is 15% of your overall marks; your planning, budgeting, and forecasting, which is 20%; performance management, which is again 20%; cost management 15%; internal controls 15%; technology and analytics 15%. Your part 2 is your strategic financial management. This paper emphasizes financial decision making and strategic business management. The syllabus includes financial statement analytics, which is 20%, corporate finance, which is again 20% of the marks, decision analysis, which is 25%, enterprise risk management is 10%, capital investment decision is 10%, and professional ethics is 15% of the mark. Now, let's talk about the exam pattern. Each exam is 4 hours long and is divided into two sections. Section A is 100 multiple choice questions carrying 75% of the total score, and the section B is 2 essay-based case scenarios contributing the remaining 25% of the marks. To assess the essay question, candidates must first achieve the required performance in the MCQ section. Now, the exam windows. The USCM examination are conducted during 3 testing windows every year: the January, February, May, June, and September, October. Candidates can take the exam at authorized prometric test centers across the world. Now, the requirements. Passing the exam alone does not earn you the CMA designation. To become a certified USCMA, candidates must also pass both part 1 and part 2 examinations, hold a bachelor's degree from a recognized institution, complete 2 consecutive years of relevant professional experience in management accounting or financial management. Now let's talk about the fees of USCMA. The total cost is made up of 2 parts. First, the official fees to be paid to the management accountant, and coaching and study material cost, which vary depending on the institute you choose. So the official IMA fees is for student and academic members. The IMA membership fees is USD 49 or USD 160 depending on your eligibility. The entrance fee for CMA is USD 225, and the exam fee is USD 407 per part. That's 407 per part. For professional members, the IMA membership fee is USD 295, the CMA entrance fee is USD 300, and the exam fee is 545 USD per part. So the total cost for most students in India, the official IMA fees originally work out to 1 to 1.3 lakh, depending on the exchange rate at the time of the payment, and once you add coaching, study material, and other professional expenses, the overall investment is usually in the range of 2 to 2.5 lakhs. Although this can vary depending on the institution you choose. So, who should pursue USCMA? Now, the most important question is that the USCMA is an excellent choice for students who enjoy working with numbers and want to understand how business make financial decisions, rather than focusing mainly on auditing and taxation. It is designed for students that are interested in planning, analysis, budgeting, costing, and business strategy. You like USCMA if you like accounting and finance, enjoy analyzing data and solving business problems, are interested in budgeting, costing, and financial planning, or want to understand how companies make strategic financial decisions, or prefer a practical business oriented approach to finance. On the other hand, if your interests lie in corporate law, legal compliance, or governance qualifications like CAs, you may be better fit for that. Similarly, if you're passionate about auditing or taxation, you may find other professional qualifications more aligned with your career goals. Ultimately, USCMA is best suited for students who want to combine accounting knowledge with business strategy and help organizations make smarter financial decisions. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest questions. What is the future scope of CMA? Is it worth pursuing, and what kind of salary can you expect? Starting with India, the demand for USCMA professionals has been growing steadily, especially among multinational companies, big four firms, global capability centers, consulting firms, banks, and large corporate organizations. Since the qualification focuses on management accounting and strategic financing, it is particularly valued for roles such as financial analyst, FPA analyst, management accountants, cost accounting, business finance analyst, and corporate financial professions. When it comes to salary, it's important to have realistic expectations. Your package depends on several factors, including your skills, work experience, location, company, and educational background. As a fresher, many USCMA professionals in India start in the range of 5 to 8 lakh per annum, while among some candidates joining top MNCs or big four firms may receive higher packages. As you gain experience and move into senior finance or leadership roles, salaries can increase significantly, often reaching double-digit lakhs per year. Now, what about abroad? This is where USCMA has a significant advantage. It is an internationally recognized qualification and is respected in many countries, including the United States, the UAE, Canada, Singapore, and several Middle Eastern countries. While the qualification alone doesn't guarantee a job overseas, it can strengthen your profile for global finance and management accounting roles, particularly when combined with relevant work experience. So, is USCMA worth it? If your goal is to build a career in management accounting, corporate finance, FP&A, or strategic finance, especially in multinational companies or with long-term international aspirants, then USCMA may be a very valuable qualification. However, remember that no professional qualification guarantees a high-paying job on its own. Your technical skills, communication, internship, and work experience will play an equally important role in determining your career growth. So overall, USCMA is a strong choice for students who want a globally recognized finance qualification with opportunities both in India and internationally. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will help a lot. And for more commerce related content or degree related content, please let me know what kind of video should I make on the next degree. Which degree do you want me to talk about? And thank you so much for watching.